Alright, so we're in the T-Type and going through my chart that I was referring to earlier. Got down there to the ECM, and with the ignition on, disconnected, I checked the A5 pin, which is the pin that lights up the service engine soon light. And I got nothing. A6 was hot on, ignition hot. So that put me to the instrument cluster, and took the instrument cluster apart, and it was pretty interesting. You should be able to see that through the sun. The service engine light is the fourth bulb down from the top. And the fourth bulb down from the top, missing. So if I'm not mistaken, according to the way I'm reading this diagram, is the service engine soon light completes the circuit. So missing the bulb, then I'm probably not going to have any type of fuel pressure because it's an incomplete circuit. So moving along, I'm going to source a bulb and I'll get back with y'all. The bulb is out. Yeah, it was out of the cluster completely. It's just completely missing. And according to the diagram, the GM diagram, that bulb is needed to complete the circuit. I mean, really? So, headed back up to O'Reilly's, and these guys have me some PC194, and I grabbed a box of PC161 bulbs as well, if you need those two part numbers. Those are the plastic-based bulbs that go in a Buick Grand National or T-Type instrument cluster. So I'm picking up a box of both just in case any others are out. And also, I mean, it's probably going to be a good idea to keep a spare in your car because these cars are just that finicky. Just like from what I've heard, if the alternator light bulb, the charge light bulb, goes out on your dash, your alternator will not charge. This is what I've read in various groups, so I'm learning as I go along, and hopefully some of this content for you guys, hopefully it helps you too. So I'll update you more once I get to the parts store, and we'll go from there. Take it easy. Alrighty, just left Kevin and his guys up at the O'Reilly warehouse, and got what I needed. PC194, PC161, got a box of each. I want to make sure I have plenty for now and for future. Now, just gonna make the journey back in traffic, which I love so much. And we got a straight pipe Tahoe in front of me. They always sound so good straight piped. I'm a Flowmaster guy on pretty much any V8. But yay. Camaro. I don't want to play too much with him. He'll have to get the sauce. I can't give anybody the sauce right now in this car. It needs a clutch. As soon as she hits full boost, it's just slip. Ring a ding ding ding, 4-cylinder rev limiter. Yes, I drive an import, but I can still bash them. the 40. Oops. Alright, now back here at the house, got my PC bulbs, and you know, I had some 194s as well, just in case some of these other ones are bad. No sense in replacing the entire socket. But I'm back here at the house and I got to digging around the gauge cluster, and I pulled this guy out. Wondering what that could be. I did a little bit of online research because, well, you know, when you don't know, you don't know. But that is the socket that is specific to the service engine soon light. So I'm going to put a bulb in it, and we'll test it at the ECM and see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, down here at the ECM, and ignition in the on position. We're gonna go to circuit 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test lights on. And it's hard to see, but we have an illuminated check engine light, so that is a good thing. So we're done. All right, so got under here. Now that we have a check engine light bulb, we know that that circuit for the no check engine light tree, we've completed that. So now we're on to the regular no start tree, which is probably what my next video is going to be about. I did notice something that kind of looked a little funky with the ECM up inside there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there, it looks like there's some corrosion in there in that wide plug. And also on the connector itself, I've noticed a little corrosion up in there. So I may get in there, take this apart and clean it out really well. But we're making progress with the 84 Buick Regal T-Type. So I've got a lot of research to do along this journey. And if you want to like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll figure everything out and we can get this thing to crank and see what kind of condition the engine's in. But until then, y'all have a good one. Thank you.